Hello everyone, this is Seicane. The car we will show you how to disassemble and install the Android radio today. Please follow me. Firstly, remove the entire button panel. Secondly, unscrew these 4 screws and remove the original car screen. Thirdly, remove its parking grip. Then pick up this panel and move it to a low position. Fourth, unscrew these 4 screws and remove the clutter box. After dismantling everything, it looks like this. Now remove its 2 air vents. Remove its air conditioning button panel again. Then install the removed buttons onto the new panel. Install the air outlet onto the Android radio again. Start connecting the wires. This is the 4th generation antenna. This is a GPS antenna. This is the video input cable. This is a USB transmission cable. This is RCA audio cable. This is a radio antenna. Now connect the Canbus box, then connect the protocol serial port. Reconnect the screen power plug. Finally, connect the reverse plug. Now we will install the new button panel. Connect the wires of the Android car device to the original car plug again. After connecting, install the Android car system onto it. Install and restore this panel as well. Install silver decorative strip. Finally, the installation of the parking handle is completed. The installation has now been completed. As this car has a Canbus box, it needs to be set up for the first use. After setting up, support regional car air conditioning control. Support regional car reversing camera. Support knob adjustment for volume and switching, etc. Support door switch reminder. Support local or online video playback. Support offline or online maps. Support automatic radio station search. Support DSP audio adjustment. Support steering wheel button control. Enjoy wireless CarPlay or Android Auto function from your phone in your car. Okay, that's all for the video. Thank you for your watching.